Welcome to our channel, where we share insights about health and wellness and provide tips to help you lead a healthier life. Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you. We'll be exploring the wonderful world of kidney-friendly drinks. These are not just ordinary beverages. They're carefully selected to help free your body from harmful toxins and give your kidneys a health-boosting treat. From the ever-refreshing water to the soothing herbal teas, from the tart taste of unsweetened cranberry juice to the tropical delight of coconut water, we've got a dozen of these drinks lined up for you. We'll also delve into some delicious yet healthy concoctions like homemade lemonade, low-sodium vegetable juice, and berry spinach smoothies. And we haven't forgotten about the tea lovers out there. We have ginger tea, unsweetened green tea, and hibiscus tea on our list too. Stay tuned to discover these amazing drinks and their beneficial effects on your body. Starting our list is the most vital beverage for your kidneys: water. This clear, tasteless wonder is your kidney's best friend, playing a crucial role in flushing out harmful toxins. Your kidneys process around 200 quarts of blood daily, sifting out waste and transporting urine to the bladder. This enormous task requires ample water to function effectively. Beyond that, water maintains your body's overall hydration, promoting better kidney health. Remember, nothing hydrates your body better than water. Moving on to our second drink, non-caffeinated herbal teas. Herbal teas are a delightful mix of nature's bounty and health benefits. They are made from a variety of plant parts, including leaves, flowers, seeds, and roots. The absence of caffeine makes them a great choice for those sensitive to stimulants or looking to cut down on their caffeine intake. Herbal teas are not just warm, comforting beverages. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. For example, chamomile tea is known for its calming effects, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Peppermint tea can aid digestion, while hibiscus tea is believed to help lower blood pressure. Moreover, these teas can be enjoyed hot or cold, making them versatile for all seasons. And the best part? With countless flavors to choose from, there's a herbal tea out there for every palate. So next time, swap your regular tea with a herbal one. Our third drink, unsweetened cranberry juice. This tangy, vibrant liquid is more than just a tasty drink. It's a powerhouse for kidney health. Cranberries are known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections or UTIs. These infections can cause serious harm to your kidneys over time, so sipping on cranberry juice is a flavorful way to guard your health. The secret lies in the unique compounds found in cranberries. They prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, effectively halting the infection before it starts. And for those who have already experienced a UTI, cranberry juice can help reduce the risk of a recurrence. But remember, not all cranberry juices are created equal. Many store-bought varieties are loaded with added sugars, which can counteract the health benefits. Always opt for unsweetened cranberry juice. And if you can, choose organic. This way, you get all the kidney-loving goodness without any unnecessary extras. Remember to opt for unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid added sugars. Next up, we have homemade lemonade and coconut water. There's nothing quite like a glass of fresh homemade lemonade. Not only does it taste incredibly refreshing, but it's also a kidney-friendly drink. You see, lemons are high in citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stones by breaking down calcium deposits. Plus, the vitamin C in lemons boosts your immune system and aids digestion. Now, let's talk about coconut water. This tropical delight is not just a tasty beverage, it's also a boon for your kidneys. Coconut water is a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body flush out toxins. It also contains potassium, which is crucial for kidney function. The best part? It's low in sugar and calories, making it a healthier alternative to many store-bought drinks. These refreshing drinks not only hydrate you, but also support kidney health. So next time you're thirsty, consider reaching for homemade lemonade or coconut water. Your kidneys will thank you. Our sixth drink, low-sodium vegetable juice. Imagine a blend of your favorite vegetables, brimming with essential vitamins and minerals, minus the high sodium content. This is exactly what low-sodium vegetable juice offers. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, featuring various health benefits, and is particularly great for your kidneys. You see, excessive sodium can put a strain on these vital organs, impairing their function. But with low-sodium vegetable juice, you can enjoy a delicious, refreshing drink without worrying about your sodium intake. It's a fantastic way to keep your kidneys functioning optimally, while also ensuring you get your daily dose of veggies. So opt for low-sodium vegetable juices for a nutrient-packed, kidney-friendly drink. Coming up next is a delicious and healthy option, smoothies with berries and spinach. Now you might be wondering, why berries and spinach? Well, let me tell you, they are not just tasty, but also packed with health benefits. Berries, whether they be strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, are rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants fight off harmful toxins in your body, promoting kidney health. And spinach? This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's loaded with fiber and is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, K, and the B vitamins. It also contains essential minerals like iron and calcium. When combined with the antioxidant-rich berries in a smoothie, it works wonders in detoxifying your body. So the next time you're in the mood for a refreshing drink, why not blend some berries and spinach into a smoothie? It's a tasty, refreshing, and healthful choice. Remember, a nutrient-packed smoothie is a great way to start your day. Scene script. Next, we have 3 wonderful beverages: ginger tea, low-sugar pomegranate juice, and unsweetened green tea. Let's start with ginger tea. This warming drink, steeped with the spicy zing of ginger, brings a multitude of health benefits. It's known to soothe digestive issues, but did you know it's also a friend to your kidneys? Ginger contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, the 2 major culprits behind kidney damage. So, next time you feel a chill, why not brew a comforting cup of ginger tea? Moving on to our next kidney-friendly drink, we have pomegranate juice, but make sure it's low in sugar. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, which play a vital role in protecting your kidneys from harmful toxins. They also contain a good amount of potassium, an essential mineral for kidney function. But remember, moderation is key here. Too much potassium can be harmful for those with kidney issues, so enjoy this ruby red juice sparingly. Lastly, we have unsweetened green tea. This humble beverage is so much more than just a comforting drink. It's packed with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect your kidneys from damage by free radicals. Plus, it helps keep you hydrated, which is essential for healthy kidneys. And remember, opt for the unsweetened version to avoid unnecessary sugar. So there you have it. 3 delightful drinks that not only taste good, but also offer numerous benefits for your kidneys. Ginger tea to reduce inflammation, pomegranate juice for its antioxidant properties, and green tea for hydration and antioxidant support. These drinks not only taste good, but also help in maintaining your kidney health. To wrap up our list, we have watermelon juice and hibiscus tea. These 2 drinks are not just refreshing and delicious, they are also packed with health benefits, especially for your kidneys. Watermelon juice, with its high water content and natural sweetness, is a great way to stay hydrated. But did you know it's also a natural diuretic? This means it helps your body flush out toxins, promoting kidney health. Plus, it's rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can protect your kidneys from damage. Now let's talk about hibiscus tea. This vibrant, tangy tea is known for its ability to lower high blood pressure, a common cause of kidney disease. It's also full of antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help keep your kidneys functioning at their best. So the next time you're looking for a kidney-friendly drink, why not reach for a glass of watermelon juice or a cup of hibiscus tea? These drinks are a perfect blend of taste and health. We've now covered all 12 drinks that can help in maintaining your kidney health. These beverages are not only refreshing, but also pack a powerful punch when it comes to detoxification and overall wellness. Let's do a quick recap. We started with the simplest and most accessible of them all, water. Its ability to flush out toxins is unmatched. Then we discussed the calming and rejuvenating properties of non-caffeinated herbal teas that soothe your kidneys without overstimulating them. We also delved into the tart goodness of unsweetened cranberry juice, a well-known ally in preventing urinary tract infections. The homemade lemonade and coconut water we talked about are excellent sources of essential electrolytes, while being low on sugar and high on flavor. Low-sodium vegetable juice made a grand entry with its variety of nutrients and antioxidants, followed by the versatile smoothies packed with berries and spinach, providing a delicious way of upping your fiber and vitamin intake. We then explored the warming comfort of ginger tea, the antioxidant-rich low-sugar pomegranate juice, and the classic unsweetened green tea, all known for their numerous health benefits. Finally, we ended our journey with the refreshing watermelon juice and the tangy hibiscus tea, both of which are not only delightful to the palate, but also gentle on your kidneys. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one might not work for another. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. While these drinks are beneficial, they are not magic potions. They work best when consumed as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Stay hydrated, Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables, limit your intake of processed foods, and engage in regular physical activity. These are the real secrets to maintaining kidney health and overall wellness. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos. Here's to your health and wellness.